All right, ladies and gentlemen, got about a minute to go here.
I might actually take Amba out the gates, risking 35.20.
I mean, it's struggled this whole 35 areas, the whole pre-market has not really given up above it.
I mean, 100 shares would cost me 40, 45 bucks. I'm doing it. Out the gates. Amba.
Good luck, guys. Remember, it's Friday. Volume can be a little dried up on Fridays. It can be a little awkward to trade Fridays. So just, take your time. There's no rush.
Nice dump on Kron. You're going to see a cover pop here. NTNX dumping as well. Here we go.
And Lulu's just going.
Oh, did I miss? I miss Amba.
Hasn't quite yet started fully going. There's a lot of buyers there too. Kind of making me nervous. Here's Lulu, like kind of pulling back a little bit.
Wow, Lulu. Oh, Kron straight dump. Come on. Give me a bounce.
So I'm long on Lulu with 300 shares. Oh, that's not 300. Kind of added all the way up 100 shares, 100 shares, 100 shares on the first 1 minute candle.
Wow.
There she goes. Nice.
Here's our cover pop on Kron.
So still holding long on Lulu with 300 shares. Average is only about 154. 154.20 is my average on Lulu. Gonna get ready to sell 150 shares here if we can get a nice little pop. Yeah, baby, there it is.
Oh, I missed it.
So just sold half on Lulu there. Still holding 150 shares actually. Let's take off. So just took off another 50 shares, only holding 100 shares long on Lulu. Now just gonna let those kind of hang out, do their thing.
NTNX is spready.
Kron, red to green, baby.
Holy Lulu.
Wow.
Amba up and over. Watching the 36 now.
So I'm going to take Lulu off the charts because I'm just holding 100 shares long.
Spice ripping. Kron coming up to the 930s area, 920s right now. Wow, TFS platform is really lagging. Jeez. I don't think Amba can fill the gap. I think Amba gets to 36 max.
Yeah, I'm watching that for a pop-up for a rejection, yeah. A lot of sellers here at 35.40. Holy smokes.
Lulu just took a pullback.
Oh my goodness. Look at that sell down there on Amba. Wow, is this thing getting ready to crash? Oh, I can't short that candle. That red candle is way too big. So still holding 100 shares long, Lulu.
Well, Kron's about to squeeze again.
Getting ready to exit. So I just took off my last 100 shares on Lulu. So I finished with a $230 win. Could have been much, much bigger, but it is what it is. Oh, that short on AMBA.
It's a nice pull.
Yeah, Kron just might go stupid on a squeeze here.
Here's that Kron squeeze.
You know, I'm doing it. I'm longing this. I'm going to chase this up. It looks like it's going to squeeze. So I just longed 5,000. FOMO, come on. People keep getting I think they're going to chase it up a little bit. There it goes. Come on, pop. Getting ready to sell the rest of my shares here in a second.
Okay, I'm going to go start short on AMBA, small size, risking 35.
I already took those shares off because I was chasing Kron up. So I already took my shares off. So just locked in a $500 winner. So we're going to be up 1,665 on the day. AMBA, I mean, it's looking pretty weak here. So guys, watching AMBA short, getting ready to short here.
This 3460s area has got lots of support. Here we go. We got stacking action.
Yeah, I'm trying to get short. I'm already trying to. I'm short 100 shares. Can't get filled anything more than that right now. Look at Kron still ripping.
Watch for the 10 mark.
Yeah, I just can't get filled because there's so many people. There it goes. Just got filled and it's squeezed instantly. So holding short on AMBA right now.
Nice low cover pop, but it's what we call the dipshit cover. So not worried. My size is small. Hold it up to 35. We've got the VWAP protecting us. We got all the moving averages.
Yeah, there's a lot of protection for shorts right now. So just holding short 1,500 shares on AMBA. Looking forward to break the 3460s. In short with Matrix here as well. 3460s is just struggling. By now, it should be breaking.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just took mine off for a $400 loss. So all out of AMBA there. Couldn't trust that. I didn't have the greatest entry on it. That also is part of it. Basically shorted right at support, hoping it would just basically snap through instantly. And well, as you can see, that did not happen. Lulu's looking like it's trying to pop higher here. I'm going to take Kron down. Put it back onto Lulu. Big short squeeze. AMBA is starting to be stupid.
Still in it. Because only have 100 shares.
Considering longing Lulu right now, it's like do or die moment for Lulu popping up right now.
Okay, gonna add another 100. Just 3520s.
So just kind of hanging out. I did have my finger on the buy for Lulu, not long on it yet, but just watching it. AOBC is starting to trade pretty well. Or at least push up, that is. So I got my finger on the buy here for Lulu.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, I'm long on Lulu here. Just entered long on Lulu, looking for the next leg up on it.
I'm in. Boom. Right away.
Let's go, Lulu. Yeah, baby. Come on. Ooh, that's not what we want to see. So still holding long Lulu with 400 shares, looking to get over this 156 area. Wow, instant rejection there. It's still holding this kind of downward trend that I have on my chart from high a day. I'll be looking to close out if it doesn't start pushing in our favor. Yeah, it's struggling. All right.
Come on, hold 155.
No,
Oy.
just slammed. Wow. Let's see. So I might take a loss here on Lulu. Still holding it. See what it does here on this pull. Maybe it just is too soon for the next leg up. I mean, we were close to breaking out in that previous one, but you know, maybe it needed us a little bit more pullback. So it's still holding the VWAP pretty well.
Okay, I need to cut my losses on Amber soon. Come on, Amber. Get stuffed.
Yeah, Lulu's making me nervous here.
I gotta get out of Amber. I'm out. Fudge.
All right, Lulu holding true so far.
Come on, Lulu.
NTNX is ripping. Let's see.
Come on, Lulu.
Yeah, I think Lulu's getting ready. There it goes.
Ooh.
Yeah, it should break the 156 on this push. It would make sense, or maybe the next candle. But it's after that failed push lower. This is a sure sign we're trying to push higher at this point.
Well, I'm gonna size down though, just in case. My average is 55.5.
Yeah, I got an average of 155.46 on Lulu. Oh wow, look at the resistance there at 1.
Nah, it's going through. It's
Oh yeah, I
fake,
mean
though.
it's for sure. There's no way it's super strong right now. And when it does, it's gonna pop super fast. And as soon as it does, I'm selling A lot of it. Probably a majority. Yeah, as soon as Lulu pops here, guys, I'm selling 300 shares.
Boom.
I'm just going to let it run. We just broke out. I'm going to let it run. All right, no reason to sell after just breaking out here. Now we're going to have some FOMO traders coming in to push the price up for us.
Come on, give me
Definitely
50,
see a 157.
57.
Still a good leg. Oh, I could see 157 break here. I'm going to sell 300 shares there. Just sold 300. Only have 100 shares on the trade now.
Yo, stop selling into me.
All right, so that's going to put me up to $1,700 on the day after a $400 loss on AMBA. So now that we kind of broke that wedge pattern to the upside, I do believe we're just going to see a nice steady grind on Lulu. We've kind of determined that up is the direction for now. So I'll try and hold these 100 shares, see what we got working here.
Let's work out a major trend here on Lulu as long as this major trend holds.
Yeah, from like
Good
opening
one.
and up. Oop.
All right, so
Lulu's 5-minute chart looks pretty strong too. Very strong. All green candles on the 5-minute. NTNX starting to look a little weak there.
wow, good thing I've cut my losses on AMBA. Jeez. Next stop, 36 on AMBA. See what it does from there.
Still holding long on what's it called?
Lulu.
Yeah, it's just holding. If we get another pop here, I'm going to sell 50 shares and then only hold 50 shares to let it ride and see what it does until I feel I want to take those 50 off.
So I think I'm just going to hold this 50. As long as it holds the 9 EMA, I'm just going to keep it. It's just 50 shares.
Watching NTNX just went through a dip, bought up off the the VWAP. Now it's trying to push higher. Might watch this for a lower high setup and short.
Should expect a little pullback here from Lulu.
Yeah, I
Right back down to 55.98.
I actually really like the way it's consolidating. It's not really pushing lower. It's just kind of, it's doing one of those kind of, so far, just kind of like a sideways consolidation, waiting for the 9 EMA to catch up. And then I think we're going to get another pop. And that's where I'm going to sell 50 more shares. Good work, Mike. Nice work. Good green. Good green. I mean, I'm not really scared of the pullback on Lulu anymore because I already held through a bad one, right? And that was the one that if it was going to go earlier at 939, that was it, right? So at this point, it's more just kind of profit-taking dips and pullbacks. All right, so we are getting a lower high setup here on NTNX. So I'm going to try it. I'm taking NTNX shares short with this lower high. I'm going to look for this to kind of snap, come down to the VWAP. Still getting bought up. So if this move fails right here, I'm going to exit. Because ideally, this should just basically start rolling over if I'm correct. And if I'm wrong, it's just going to not roll over. So it's still holding true so far.
I'm just watching Lulu. Here's EMBA 36. Oh, wow, EMBA.
It's getting close. NTNX, baby. Come on.
Lulu's holding 156 true.
Still holding short on NTNX. The longer it takes, the more nervous I get. Yeah, buyers are trying really hard to keep this up right now.
Come on, Lulu. Next leg, please. 9 EMAs here. Let's go. Boom. Boom. 157 reached.
So I'm all
Breakout.
out of NTNX for a loss there. Just couldn't get it to roll over, and the spread was pretty bad, so I ended up getting a horrible fill. I wasn't paying attention to spread on that one. Now it's going to start squeezing to the upside, I think. So I might reverse bias on NTNX here to a long, since that rolling over short failed.
Boom. Lulu, breakout 157.
Yeah, I'm long on NTNX, looking for this to start squeezing to the upside since we failed the rolling over short.
Yeah.
Hey, look at Lulu going. Let's go. All right, NTNX long working out so far.
I'm going to take half here, leave 25 shares on, take some money.
Yeah, I just sold 50 more shares on Lulu, still holding long here on NTNX, looking for us to continue the squeeze to the upside.
Wow, Amber is trucking. I just want to see a higher low, man. Sorry, a lower high, man. Come on. I'll wait for you. One thing for sure, I'm shorting this piece of shit down later on Amber. I'll wait. Lulu, 57 fives. Nice. That's 2 points already. It's up a lot.
What is?
Lulu.
Oh, yeah, it's up.
Like, a lot.
So I'm still holding long on NTNX. Haven't sold any. Oh, let's go NTNX. Come on, start ripping.
Lulu new highs. 156 reaching.
So just
158.
sold majority of my order on NTNX there. I have
Breakout.
shares.
Lulu breakout.
And I'm going to take the rest off on NTNX there, all out of NTNX. So recovered some of my losses from the previous trade on that. And Lulu's still running. So let's see, at 1,600 altogether after that loss on NTNX from earlier. Still watching NTNX. Could still be a lower high short coming. Jeez.
Come on, Lulu. Let's go.
Yeah, Lulu is just ripping faces. Still long on that. 50 shares, baby.
I'm gonna take it right now. I'll take it right now. So overextended. Yeah. So overextended. I'll wait for a pullback and try reset. Try to get back in.
All out on just covered all out on Lulu. All done there. That was beautiful. My first entry was at 150. What was my average? I don't know.
155.4.
Yeah,
46.
155.4. Ran it all the way to 158. So 4-point trade there on Lulu.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And I'm green on the day from this Lulu trade.
So
goddamn Amber.
Yep, that's gonna put me up to about $1,687 on the day now. So it was up 1,700 and a little loss here in NTNX, et cetera, et cetera.
Lulu can still go. I mean, it's just
sure it can.
Right now we just gotta wait for the ABCD setup here on Lulu, and then make it rip again.
I missed that short entry on NTNX for the lower high fail. It's gonna slam. Ooh, maybe not. We'll see. Let's check this earnings. Yeah, starts, boom, boom. I mean, you'd think that.
What, NTNX?
Yeah.
They missed guidance by 20 million.
It's kind of rejected. Yeah, I mean, I should be shorting that. Oh, of course.
Lulu's still going. Not a surprise here. I'm gonna wait for a chance to re-long back in. Just gonna wait patiently, put it on the side watch for now. Cron consolidating around this 960s area. 5-minute chart, the 9 EMA is catching up to it. So we might get another squeeze up on Cron. And we are making very subtle higher lows. This could be an ABCD. I like it for the long. I will long 50 shares of Cron, risking the 90-50s. Just to get me invested.
So watching NTNX, I'm in short on NTNX again on this lower high. Just needs to crack this $60 area. If it can break 60, I think we're going to get a quick push down towards 50. Oh, come on. If this doesn't break, it's going to squeeze again.
How many new traders are in Cron right now? Like, aside from traders in our room, the whole world of newer learning traders are in Cron. And this thing is very overcrowded.
Come on, NTNX. You know you want to roll and break.
You know what? I don't even like the long on Cron. I'm going to get out 50 shares. I don't care. 1 penny I lost. 50 cents. I don't even like it. I don't even like this.
More in short on NTNX is kind of rolling now and breaking. So in 1,500 shares short on NTNX.
Newtonex.
Boom. There she goes.
Nice job. Holy Amber.
Still haven't covered, still holding. We just kind of rolled and just broke. So I would anticipate we're going to at least try and test the VWAP here. So I'm going to try and hold till we get a tap to the VWAP.
Lulu pulled back down to the 9. Still very overextended. I want to see it. Let's draw this trend line here. I think it's following trend. Yeah, it is. Did I miss my entry?
There we go. There goes NTNX down, baby.
Oh, there's that Cron pop I called.
So it took 1,000 shares off the short there on NTNX. And I'm going to take off another 250 shares. So now I only have 250 shares on the trade.
Cron's reaching the 10 here. This massive volume on Cron.
And there goes my last 250 shares, all out on NTNX for a pretty decent win there.
Ooh, big pull on Lulu.
Nice. That puts me up $2,223 on today. Beautiful. Holy cow. TLRY squeezing. Just had like a 2-point squeeze.
Cron testing the 10.
What's Cron doing these days?
It's breaking out. I took it long at 964, 65, and then I took it off because I just don't like the stock.
Wow, TLRY. Push. Oh, TLRY is breaking out of highs. Holy smokes. Wow. Yeah, it's breaking over the 6350s highs. Dang.
Not chasing it.
Oh, well, it's right now. Just hits it. I'm not chasing that up. No way. Not with that spread. No. Suckers. All right. So we're going to end the live trading video there. So I myself will be sitting up about $2,200 on the day. Let's get a go around here. So how's everybody in our chat room doing today as far as trading? You guys green? Are you red? Let's get a kind of run around here. 461 on Lulu, 51 on NTNX for Rick. Very good.
Good job, guys.
150 green.
50 green. Whoa, boom.
Green. 60, 800 green, 96 green.
Oh, yeah.
350 green, 80 green, 100 green, 1600 green. So 1,600 from P. Lopez, 110 green. On the brink is green AF. So that is, as you already know. Is AMBA a safe to buy? Magic
No.
Hat, not too sure. I'm not looking at it right now. We'll take a look here in a second.
Wow, look at all this green. Holy.
Felix the Bomb's up 1,200 today.
Happy long weekend, man.
Yes, seriously, guys. We don't have a trading day going on Monday, so very good job. We got no trades today. That's okay.
Lock it in.
On Lulu and Cron, same to you. Patiently waiting for position by Timothy Gray. That's just fine, my man.
If you guys are green, I do suggest you lock it in and just stay in the chat room and just shoot the shit with us, man.
Yeah. So, guys, now that you guys are for the most part all green, right? I would say 95% of the room now is green, which is amazing. I would say most of you guys just call it a day. It's Friday. Go get some breakfast or whatever. Hang out with the kids. Do whatever you do. Sydney's up 372. So yeah, guys, it's Friday. I'm calling it. I'm up to over $2,000 another day. That will lock in my 12th green day in a row now. So I'm just gonna call it. It's Friday. I'm still gonna hang out in the chat room here for another hour. So you guys, we can just hang out, shoot the shit, and just all stay green.
Connor.
Yes, sir.
Actually, are you still live recording right now?
About to stop the recording.
Okay, I'll talk to you once you stop.